Sweet potato pie recipe. I boiled and peeled 5 large potatoes. Add 2 softened 4 ounces sticks of unsalted butter. Time to clean. Whisk of potato strings. I rinse, whisk and stir mixture 8 to 10 times to remove strings. Add 4 eggs, one at a time. Make sure mixture is cool before adding eggs. Add 1½ cups sugar. I use organic cane sugar. Time to clean. Whisk of potato strings. Add a little 1¼ cups evaporated milk. Mix together dry ingredients. Add 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 tablespoon baking powder. 1/8 teaspoon salt. One tablespoon nutmeg. Clean whisk. Add some of the dry ingredients mixture. Add more evaporated milk. Add 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream. I use Silk dairy free. Add remaining flour. Add 1 tablespoon pure vanilla. Mixture makes approximately 3 pies. Tip: add foil around crust to keep from burning. Pie ready. Silicone mixer liner. Bought from Temu. $7.22. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share,